All right, you guys, we are back to the decluttering series. I am really excited to dive into my concealers, foundations, primers, and face powders and setting sprays today. These two drawers have just been so overwhelming to me lately that I just cannot take it anymore. So I'm really excited to just get rid of some of this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and start with primers because that is what you typically do on your face first. So, okay, a couple things I know I'm gonna keep. My Botanic Farm Soft Cover Pore Balm Primer. This stuff is so good. It just comes in like a little pot, and I put it in my yearly favorites. It's just, oh my gosh, it blurs your pores so well. You can find it at Ulta for under 20 bucks. I absolutely love this stuff. Another one I'm going to keep is the No Pore Blem Primer from, I think it's, yeah, Touch and Soul. You can get this at Sephora. I think it's under 20 bucks. I am like still not sure how I feel about this, so I want to use this some more. My Milani Instant Blur Touch Up Blur Stick. I have quite a bit left of this actually, so I think I'll just keep it and use it up and then toss it. It is a pretty good drugstore pore filler primer. Another one I love is the NYX Pore Filler Primer. This stuff is great. It's under 20 bucks again. I want to say it's a little over 10. But I also love the L'Oreal Matte Lock Primer. Okay. This one is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer. I am not sure how I feel about this one. I don't think I love it, but I also don't hate it. So I'm going to try this one a little bit more. And then these four, this is the Cover FX Mattifying Primer. I got this in a little set off HAUTELOOK. It doesn't really do anything. I don't like it, but I am going to keep this one for a video. So I'm going to put it in this basket. This Collab Smoothing Primer, it just didn't do anything. It's really just, it's just not anything to write home about. It's not good, so I am going to pass that on. The Jordana Prime No Pores Pore Refining Face Primer, it didn't do anything, and also it made me, it was so stinky. Like, it smelled so bad, like plastic. It was horrible. I hated this so much. So I'm going to toss that, probably in the trash. Now this is the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer Perfecting Base. This was actually sent to me on HAUTELOOK. It comes with a pump. I mean, it's Becca. It's super nice, and I'm really grateful that I got it for free. It's in the shade Apricot Haze. I don't know if they have different shades, but you guys, this is so not worth the money. Like, holy cannoli. I just was really underwhelmed by this. I didn't think it blurred hardly anything on my face. And I just think I'm going to pass it because I just don't love it. So we're going to pass this, but I think I am going to save it for a video that I want to do. So I'm going to put it with the Cover FX one. Okay, let's go into foundations next. These right here are, let's see, I have one more of these somewhere. Where are you? Where are you? Right here. Okay, these are my Photo Focus from Wet n Wild. I have like 4 shades of these because this is what I do. This is what I use when I do makeup on other people. Let me like center myself here. Get it together. I usually wear this shade Soft Ivory for myself, I think, right? Yes, I believe I wear Soft Ivory for myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these 3 somewhere else. Let me get a little basket here. I'm going to put these 3 in here, and I will keep them, but I'm not going to keep them with my everyday makeup. So I'm going to keep this one for sure. Lasting Finish from Rimmel. I'm going to keep this one and the new one, the breathable one. The coverage I feel like is different on both of these, but I don't know if you can find this one anymore. If they discontinued this, I'm going to be so upset. But I am going to keep both because I do like both. Okay. Let's see here. What else am I definitely keeping? Oh my gosh. The Super Stay from Maybelline. Love this. I just showed this in a video of my like full coverage drugstore look. I'm also going to keep my LA Colors Truly Matte foundation and my LA Girl Pro Matte. I love these two. Let's see. Oh, these I just got. These are the Cover FX Custom Cover Drops. These were also on HAUTELOOK recently. I always have a referral link for HAUTELOOK in the description bar below if you guys are interested. These are the shade N25. They were like half off on HAUTELOOK, and I bought them and I really like them. So I'm going to keep that. Let's see. This also is kind of new to me. This is the Essence Fresh and Fit Wake Me Up, or Awake Makeup Foundation. I really have been enjoying that, so I'm gonna keep that one. Okay. Let's think here. This I'm actually wearing today. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte. Oldie but a goodie. I love this stuff. This one right here, this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I try to like this so much. I had it at first when they first released it and I didn't really like it. It was a wrong shade for me, but then they released some lighter shades and so I bought it again in hopes that I would like it. But I just don't. People rave about this, but it's just not one of my favorites. So I am going to pass that one along. Estee Lauder Double Wear. I don't understand the hype behind this, to be honest with you guys. I don't feel like it wears that well on me, and I just don't ever reach for it. So I think I'm going to get rid of it. I feel like I got it at a cosmetic company outlet, but I don't love it. So I'm going to pass that. I can't believe I'm doing that. Maybelline Matte and Poreless, I'm so keeping. The Clinique Beyond Perfecting, I'm so keeping. CoverGirl Clean Matte BB, I'm keeping. Let's see, what else? My Maybelline Dream Cushion, I'm so keeping. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, I'm so keeping. Keeping a lot of foundations. The Peach Perfect from Too Faced I'm going to keep. This isn't my favorite, but it's pretty good, and I did spend, you know, a good hunk of money on it, so I will continue to use it. My number 7 Beautifully Matte I'm totally going to keep, and my Collab Meet Your Matte foundation and my Physicians Formula Healthy foundation I'm keeping. Okay. Oh, my CoverGirl Healthy Vitalist I'm totally keeping. Dior Forever, I'm totally going to keep. I'm sure you guys have heard this story 1,000 times, but I got this for $5 at TJ Maxx. It was awesome. Okay, the Best Blend Forever makeup from Elme. Don't like this. The coverage isn't great. It sits weird on the skin. It wears off weird. I don't like that, so I'm going to pass that on. The Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation, I don't like. I mentioned this in a video recently. I used it once and then I felt like it was gone. So that kind of sucked. Okay, my L'Oreal True Match. Let's see, do I need this? This is like, I feel like a newer bottle. Yeah, I am going to keep this one. This is the Clinique Chubby in the Nude Foundation Stick. I wore this a ton way back when. It's pretty used up. It doesn't smell weird, but I don't know if it would be, it's way too dark for me. I got it in the shade Intense Ivory, and that is way too dark for me. So I think I am just going to throw this away because it is really old. I probably shouldn't wear it anymore. Okay. Oh, these two. The Sonia Kashuk one, I just wore this the other day to kind of see if I like it. It's the Soft Focus Satin Matte Foundation. I think this got discontinued. I'm not 100% sure, but I am pretty sure it did. And I honestly, I really like it, but it's not my all-time fave anymore. So I think I am going to get rid of that. The Stay Perfect Foundation from number 7 is really good, so I'm going to keep this one as well. Okay, let's move into concealers. You guys, who am I? What am I doing with my life? Get it together. Okay, I don't need 2 concealer palettes. I have one from CoverGirl and one from Rimmel. To be honest, I love the Rimmel one better, so I'm going to pass this one on, even though it's newer to me, and keep the Rimmel. All right, let's see. Oh, this I'm totally passing on. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. Did not like this at all. It was streaky, it was yellow. I mentioned it in a recent regret video. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Correcting Concealer in Peach. I mean, it's all right. I don't hate it, but I also don't love it. I don't think it's amazing. And same with this Essence one. I mean, it's good. I like it. You know, you can get a really targeted area, to get all up in there. But I just don't feel like I'm using it that much. I just am kind of over these. I don't know. They don't knock my socks off. This is the Master Camo from Maybelline in Apricot. It's like a orangey corrector. and it is so orange. Like, you guys can see that. It is ridiculous. And to be honest, for a while, I really liked it because I was like, oh, this is going to be so good. Like, it'll really, really correct. But the thing is, it's so dark for my skin tone that yes, it does correct, but I have to blend it so much in order for it to not be too dark that it kind of just blends away. So I just think for me, it kind of defeats that purpose. So I am going to get rid of this. Okay, a couple correctors I definitely will keep. I'm going to keep my am I going to keep this? You know, I don't love it. It's kind of greasy and it's thin. It's just not amazing. This is the NYX Dark Circle Concealer. It's like $5, I think. I used to love this, but now I just don't, because I have found this one from Pixi. This is honestly my all-time fave, the Brightening Peach. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. It is amazing. But I also really like this collab one in No Flaws Under Eye Concealer in Peach. It's a more like yellowy peach, orangey peach. It's not so peachy and like salmony. So I'm going to keep these two correctors for sure. And then these Kokie ones, I like them, but to be honest, I'm keeping this concealer from Rimmel, and so I don't feel like I really need these. So we're going to pass those on as well. These correctors are old. I probably should just throw them away. They're from Wet n Wild, the peach and the purple one. I like them, but again, I haven't been using them and I think they're old, so I need to get rid of those. NYX Got You Covered, I'm so keeping for blemishes. I love this concealer. Another one I've been really liking is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost one for blemishes, just because it's a stick and it's pretty hydrating and you can get like, you know, right where you want it. So I like that. A couple other new ones to me. This is the Lasting Finish Breathable Concealer from Rimmel. This is new. Honestly, I think I've almost used this up, so it's an okay concealer. It's not my favorite, but I'll just use it up. The Revolution Conceal and Define. Yes, I already have a backup of this. This stuff is so good. It's like almost gone. So I probably will, like, can I get any more out of here? Let's see. Not really. I can't believe I've already used this up, and I like am really looking in there and I've like scraped the sides. So I think I will just get rid of this one, and I already have it on backup. And then this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. This is actually really nice. It's not super full coverage, but it's good just for every day. The Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer, I really do like this. Tarte Shape Tape, oh my god, so keeping. Maybelline Age Rewind, I mean, hello, like, can we see how much is left in there? You keep that. CoverGirl Outlast, I'm going to keep. I love that. These three, I think I'm going to get rid of. The Rimmel Match Perfection, I really like this concealer, but since I'm going to keep the other Rimmel one, I don't need both. The NYX HD, I don't love it. It creases a lot. And then the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Again, I think I'm going to put this with these foundations because I use this a lot when I do other people's makeup, just because it's pretty full coverage, and it's creamy, and it also isn't a squeezy tube, so it's more hygienic than any other concealer I have. So I am going to keep this just in here for those reasons. I should have brought my towel over here. All right, let's do face powders real quick. Really quick. Yeah, right. Okay. This video is not really quick. Get it together. Okay. I think I'm going to get rid of both of these. So these are the same product. These are the Cover FX like loose powders. I think they're both in the matte finish. I'm not sure. The little one says matte because it came in like that matte set that they put out, but this one doesn't, but I think it is the same. And so I don't need this one. This one has never been opened, so I am going to pass that along. This is, it's fine. I just don't think it's anything to write home about. Actually, I am going to save this for a video though, but I am going to toss it. Okay. A couple face powders I know I'm going to keep. My Youthful Wear from, what is it? Physicians Formula. I love this so much. Definitely keeping. My CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder I'm going to keep. I really like that. My Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder I'm keeping. How far am I on this? I hit pan on this one so far. This is the NYX Stay Matte Not Flat Powder Foundation. I think this is like my third or fourth. I love that. This Milani 01 Translucent Loose Powder Setting Powder. What's it called? What are you? Make It Last setting powder. So dry under the eyes. I absolutely hated it. Tossing the Hard Candy Color Correcting. I'm keeping the Flower Beauty Miracle Matte. I'm going to keep. I love this setting powder. This collab one is good, but it's too dark for me. Funny enough. It's too dark. This one from L'Oreal, the Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock. I've actually used a ton of it, and it's okay. It's not great. It's a white powder, so I wouldn't use it with flash photography. But you know, it's alright. It's alright. But maybe I will just toss the last little bit because I don't really care about it. This Graftobian powder, it's fine. It's not anything. If I'm going to use a loose powder, to be honest, I will probably use my Maybelline Fit Me or, oh wait, actually, hold on. I forgot one. I need to go grab a couple more, but I'm going to toss this one too. Okay, I forgot about a couple face powders. So this is the new Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. I really like this. Like, I would pick this over the Cover FX. So I'm going to keep that one too. And then my Milani Shine Proof Conceal and Perfect Powder. I mean, I've hit pan on this and I haven't even had it for very long. So I'm going to keep that. And then this one from Essence, this is newer as well, the Brighten Up Banana Powder. I love this powder a lot. So I'm going to keep that one. All right. Okay. Setting sprays. This is crazy. Okay. This Ofra one, it is huge. Like, it is a mother of a setting spray. It's not awesome. Like, it's nice that it's this big, but the sprayer isn't like that great. And I don't know. It's just not, it's not wonderful. So we're just going to give that away. My Milani Make It Last, I love it so much, and I only have a little bit left, so I'm going to keep that, keeping my L'Oreal Infallible, keeping my Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm going to keep my CoverGirl Look Lock Up and my, well, am I going to keep that? Am I even really, yeah, I will. It's still relatively new, and I did like it. Going to keep my Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray, and I'm actually going to get rid of this, the Cover FX Mattifying Setting Spray. But I am going to save it for a video I'm doing. But, you know, I feel bad. I'm getting rid of so much Cover FX stuff, but I just didn't like it. So we're going to give that away. I'm literally giving away the entire set I just bought. Andrea, oh, that makes me so mad. Because, yeah, I got it on HAUTELOOK, but still, I'm giving away the entire set that I just purchased. See, now I'm like, oh, man, maybe should I try this more? Maybe I will. Oh, this, why do I do this to myself? Okay. So, I don't know, like, how much more. I'm keeping way more foundations than I'm getting rid of. But I am happy that I got rid of just a lot of, like, the junky stuff that it's not junk, but it's just stuff I'm not reaching for, or it's almost gone, or I'm not using. And it's like, Andrea, declutter your life. So yeah, so this is all that I'm going to keep. I know it looks like a lot, but I did get rid of some, which makes me happy. So, all right, guys, that is it. I definitely need to do my eyeshadow palette, so that declutter will be coming soon. So make sure to subscribe for that video as well as all of my other ones, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.